Adverse credit is coming more and more popular as we are going through this ever increasing cost of living, increasing inflation rates and mortgage rates. This means many of you now have adverse credit. So what are your mortgage options? In this video, we will look at your mortgage options, whether you have one missed payment, defaults and county court judgments, or IVAs and bankruptcies. Let's go. Hi, my name's Alex Kerr. I'm a qualified mortgage broker and my passion is simplifying the mortgage process and leading you to mortgage success. Let's get into the vid. Your mortgage options with adverse credit will all depend on the severity of the adverse credit. You may have heard me speaking about the different categories of adverse credit in previous videos, and that is in relation to whether you have missed payments, county court judgments, defaults and so on. But generally speaking, the worse the adverse credit is, the higher the fees are going to be and the higher the deposit you're going to need, and the more the options will be limited. Mortgage lenders can change their criteria all of the time as well, so there's never ever one specific criteria that fits every case. Here are my 5 main tips that will help you if you've had any adverse credit. Tip number 1, if you are in dispute with a credit provider, a mobile phone provider, over a small payment of £25 or £50, then do not dispute the situation to the point where it hurts your own credit profile. Always pay the debt off and then dispute after, especially with mobile phone providers and items that will have an impact on your credit profile, as this will therefore have a knock-on effect when trying to obtain a mortgage. Tip number 2, if you have a hiccup or a missed payment or a default, it's not the end of the world. Just try to recover from that point. The further away you can get from the point that the adverse credit was registered, the better. Tip number 3, don't give up hope. There's plenty of mortgage lenders out there that will lend to you if you have adverse credit. Just keep moving forwards and do your best to turn the situation around, as this will carry weight with mortgage lenders. Tip number 4, avoid payday loans at all costs. Mortgage lenders do not like them, and you will have to wait at least 12 months until your last payday loan was paid off until a mortgage lender will lend to you. Tip number 5, download our free mentorship program called Bad Credit File Expert Lite. This is just a short course which will help you understand what your adverse credit mortgage options are and the deposit you will need in order to obtain an adverse credit mortgage. This will give you direction moving forwards and something to work towards, as well as renewing your motivation and giving you light at the end of the tunnel, which you did not know was there. Today's question: did you know that there are adverse credit mortgages for most adverse credit situations? Let me know in the comments below. Mortgage warning. As a mortgage is secured against your home, it could be repossessed if you do not keep up the mortgage repayments. So thanks for watching today's video. Please check out the show notes for a recap with access to any links discussed today. And if you like this video and feel you're getting value, please do consider subscribing and ringing the bell to receive notifications so we can carry on providing you with value. It really does help the channel and buyers like yourself. Have a beautiful day. I'll see you in the next one.